if you get a notification like this in your car dashboard indicating that the battery is low, so this does not indicate the battery of your car. This is basically for the battery of your key fob. To get rid of the low battery notification on the dashboard, you need is the key fob of your car and this type of a replacement battery. Currently, I have a Panasonic CR2032. This is usually the one which is found in all the car key fobs. So let's see how to open the car key fob. So first, in this key fob specifically, there is a physical key embedded. So I have to first remove that like this. And now we have to open the key fob from here. So for this specific key fob, the process is to just insert the key here and apply a little force till it opens up like this, and then you can simply use your hands and apply a little force, and here your battery compartment opens. So this is where you find the battery. So here you see it is mentioned as CR2032. So you just need to take out this battery, and yeah, so we'll now just replace it with the new one. Now I have my new battery in place, so I just need to make sure it is pressed and it is securely locked in place, and then I need to reinsert it into the key fob. Once the battery is inside the key fob, you just need to make sure that the key fob is closely and securely locked back in place. So like this, it should be locked from all four corners properly. And yeah, there we have it. You can see the battery is now replaced. Just need to insert the key back, physical key back into its slot. And yeah, that's it. Now let's see, we are inside the car and see if the replacement battery of the key fob works. So here we are, just the ignition on button, and let's see if the low battery indication comes on. It's gone now. So yes, as you can see, let me zoom in a little bit. So no low battery notification now. So the replacement battery has done the job. So hope you like this video. If you want more such videos, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.